Okay, so I wanted to show how I would kind of it's not it's a little how I would do how I would do the knight's helmet. And as you can see, what I've done is a slight pop in the track. Is basically I chose a frame just before we see the half the background. So just before we go, we have a complete shot of his head helmet, and then I froze that frame, and I rotated it out, so we just have the head on its own now. I then did a track using the background, and then I had to do a transform and position it, do an offset on the transform. That was the tricky bit. But basically, you just add a transform thing, move it to where you want it to be, and then copy the values where it says X enter, copy that value and put it into the pivot and put that back to 0.5, right? That's how you do the offset. So that was a bit of it took a bit of figuring out. And then we track the head feature. As you see, there's a tracking thing there. And so that has the offset in it. And then I scaled the transform because obviously the head would be too small. So that's how I was going to get around those sorts of issues where we lose people's heads, right? And I would have to do the same for the plume. So if I was just to put the background in there, you'll see that it's just the head. It's just still. Okay, that's it.